Hi everyone, today's recommending is our Sweet Orange Matte Mask. Sweet Orange Matte Mask is our hot-selling product. The net weight of this product is 200 grams. Its bottle is plastic bottle, and on the side of the label you can see the ingredients and the description of this product. This mask also has smoothing properties to relieve skin discomfort. We also provide a small spoons to use it together. After use, your skin will feel fresh, smooth, and bright, suitable for all skin types. The orange matte mask is ideal for your daily facial routine. Try it and make a natural and healthy skincare experience.